working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
So I went and picked up some rosemary, some organic coconut oil, refined and cold pressed. I got some cloves. That's what they had. And then I got some mint as well. And so I'm about to put all of this in a pot and bring it to a simmer. I'm about to do a rosemary oil. And yes, that's my cantaloupe, my snack for today. And I'm gonna make a rosemary oil.
You kneel quickly for a man so suddenly elevated.
Valarian, I may appear noble, but I know much and more of service. And if the gods refuse them,
Stand.
So I scored this desk from Facebook Marketplace. So story time, what happened was I was on TikTok and this lady had bought this amazing antique vintage bed off of Facebook Marketplace. Now I have never had Facebook Marketplace. I deleted my Facebook a long time ago and it's still deleted, but I just hopped on the app just to see what's what. And I just end up putting in a white desk. And there was this desk and the lady said it was brand new. She had just called TaskRabbit to come out and put it up, but it's just too bulky. And yeah, and so I negotiated a price and she was like, fine. I told her I'll pick it up the next day. So the next day came and I couldn't get to it because they had to work late. And so I couldn't get it that night because he wouldn't get home until like late. And so I asked her the next morning at 7 a.m., could I get it? She was like, listen, if you can just come get it, I'll give it to you for free. And I'm ready to pay the lady and everything. The lady said, come get it for free. Brand new, already put together. And so I was like, okay. And then she was like, I'm not a scammer. I know people run scams on these apps, but I'm leaving town and I'm just here to help my daughter get situated. And then I have to leave town. So I'm only here for a couple more days and I really want it gone. So I'm like, okay, no problem. So I, worked it out with her, got up that morning, went to get it with Bay, and yeah, now I have a brand new desk for free $99. I know, God, I said, I don't believe in lucky girl syndrome, but my blessings are overflowing these days. So I'm happy. It is a bit big for my space. It was too big for her space, but I love it. And until I get the one that's like over $1,000, that's the one I really want. This one is going to work for now. So guys, if you're interested in seeing what I've been getting into and over the summer, stay tuned.
biz. Ain't no difference on me, more than lies in my thoughts. Raising moves up for protection over my moves fast. Possessions talk about my stand on these at a 6.7. Handing out points up. My dad on me, mother's feel better. I get tip right in my business. I get tip sharing my business. Might as well. Yeah, if this be the word conversation. Bread with equal work. All that's for real is forever. Moment stolen tastes better. I've been riding.
So let's do a desk tour. Currently August 1st. This is what things look like right now. This is just my journal, my coaster, my candle nipper, some paperweights, which are candles as well, candle holders as well as those crystals. These candles here came from Target, both of them, and some books, decor books, and this vase with the pumpus. Those two jars in the back, one is a candle, one is a canister to hold like my cords and wires, because this desk has no drawers. My pen holders, my pens, and this is a Chanel envelope. I just use it for a mouse pad because it's chic and I didn't want a big mouse pad. My earpods and my phone and my screensaver. Isn't it cute? It's on my desk because I'm obsessed right now. Glasses, some trinket dishes that I DIY, this sculpture flower holder, and my favorite girl in the world, my mom. And so yeah, this is what everything looks like currently. I kind of moved things around a few times, but it's a huge desk. It's really, really big. And so I can put a lot of things on it.
Is it impossible to get at least one full night's sleep without you all over my dreams? Without you hijacking all my energy. At least I need a day that I was something. I gotta get
So I do love this desk, and the people that know who that lady is. That lady, oh my god, I always say that lady, but yes, that's my mom. Love her. I try to keep her really, really close. I can't still look directly at those images all the time, so as long as she's close, we're locked in, we're fine. But yeah, I do love how everything turned out. I'm still messing around trying to, fill out the feng shui of the space, and do I like everything the way that it is. So far so good. And yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. In the next video, I will be doing skincare and the hair oil. I'll show you guys that more in detail, how it turned out. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe to stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in the next one.